Hi, this is Umashing from Tenet Tech. In this video, we will show how to get started with Raspberry Pi. For getting started with Raspberry Pi, we need some basic accessories with Raspberry Pi board. So this is the Raspberry Pi Model B of 512 MB RAM. This is the class 4 8GB SD card. This is the card reader. This is the micro USB cable for powering up the Raspberry Pi board. This is the RCA connector for TV out. This is the LAN cable for internet connection. This is the HDMI to DVI cable for display interface. Now let us see how to port image into the SD card. I have connected the SD card to the card reader. I will connect it to the PC. The card is detected. For latest image of Debian OS, you can get it from raspberrypi.org. For porting the image into the SD card, I am using Win32 Disk Imager software. So this is the software. You can see the device has been selected here. I will browse the image. So the image location has been selected. The next step is to write that image into the SD card. Now porting the image into the SD card has been successfully completed. Now I have inserted the SD card ported with Debian OS image into the Raspberry Pi board for booting it, and I have also connected the USB mouse and keyboard for user interface. Let's start booting the Raspberry Pi board with Debian OS. The board is booting right now. First, we have to expand the root partition by selecting the expand root partition. So root partition is completed. So we will exit from the setup procedure. Again we will reboot the Raspberry Pi board. Now we have to provide the login user ID and password. The default user ID is Pi and the password is Raspberry. For getting into the GUI interface, we have to give the startx command. So this is the GUI interface for Debian OS, and this is the main image, desktop image for Debian OS. And now you can see the mouse, we can access the mouse pointer. This is how we boot the OS into the Raspberry Pi board. Thank you for watching this video. For more information, please visit our website www.tenettech.com. Thank you.